Hi, my name is Daniel here at Swansway Honda Stockport, and today I'm going to be taking you around this used Toyota Corolla 1.8 VVT-i Icon with CVT gearbox. Now this vehicle has currently done 18,700 miles and it's finished in the colour Tyrol Silver. It does come with two previous Toyota services. It does sit nicely on 16-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you will find 361 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,052 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you'll find your lovely cloth interior. You have ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you'll find your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. To the left of your steering wheel you've got controls for adjusting the display in the instrument cluster. To the right you have your radar cruise control. The steering wheel also features controls for adjusting the infotainment system. On your display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to different driving data such as your average fuel consumption. You can also see your hybrid system on the display there. You can see the battery charging feature. You also have vehicle settings. You've got your driver assist features including your lane keeping system, pre-collision warning system and road sign assist. All features that give you extra reassurance on the road. Centered in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. Now this system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music through USB and Bluetooth connectivity. With Bluetooth you also have your phone menu where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while you're on the go. On your info page you've got access to your energy monitor with the hybrid system there. You also have your trip information and trip history. You've got your setup here where you've got access to all different system and vehicle settings. This Corolla comes with a reverse camera to make parking much easier. Below from the display you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control which is nice and simple to use. In the centre console you'll also find switches for your heated front seat so you can keep nice and warm. In the centre console here you have your automatic gear selector and electronic handbrake.